Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of a coffee table in the living room. A coffee table might seem like a small detail, but it can actually make a big impact on the overall design and functionality of your living room. Firstly, let's talk about functionality. A coffee table serves many purposes in the living room. It's a place to rest your drink, a spot to place your feet up after a long day, and a surface to display your favorite books and decorative items. Without a coffee table, your living room may feel incomplete or lacking in function. Secondly, a coffee table can tie together the design of your living room. It's an opportunity to add another layer of style and personality to your space. Whether your design style is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, there's a coffee table out there to fit your aesthetic. Plus, you can easily switch up the decor on your coffee table to keep your living room looking fresh and updated. Another reason why a coffee table is so important is that it creates a focal point in the living room. When you enter a living room, your eyes are often drawn to the largest piece of furniture in the space. Without a coffee table, your eyes may wander aimlessly around the room, unsure of where to focus. But with a coffee table, you have a clear focal point that can anchor the rest of the room's design. Lastly, a coffee table is a great way to bring people together. When you have guests over, a coffee table provides a central spot for everyone to gather around. It's a place to put out snacks and drinks, and it encourages conversation and interaction. In conclusion, a coffee table may seem like a small addition to your living room, but it can make a big impact. From its functionality to its design potential, a coffee table is an essential piece of furniture that every living room should have. So, if you don't have one already, consider investing in a coffee table to enhance the style and functionality of your living room. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the importance of a coffee table in the living room. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design content. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.